Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'd like to share with you how I made this really pretty wall terrarium using items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For this project, I used 3 of these Dollar Tree wall decor signs, some of their artificial plants. I used some of the Dollar Tree white rocks, gemstone stickers, black acrylic paint, as well as this white spray paint that I already had, my E6000, hot glue gun, and glue sticks. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove the glass from all 3 of my signs. Next, I used my E6000 to attach all 3 of my frames together. I let this dry for about 4 hours, and then I took my frames out to a well-ventilated area and gave them 2 coats of my white spray paint. While my frames dried, I used acetone to remove the words from my glass. I then used a small piece of duct tape to section off a small portion of my glass. I then painted that portion of the glass with my black acrylic paint. "20 minutes later, I removed my duct tape, and then I used my E6000 to attach the small white rocks to the center section of my glass. I added the white rocks to 2 pieces of my glass, but for the third piece, I added the black paint, but for the middle section, I only added the E6000. I realized that I needed to remove the white rocks along the sides of my glass so that the glass would fit back into their frames. I then used hot glue to attach the fern, onion grass, and succulent plants to my glass as well. I used my crafting toothbrush to remove my hot glue strings, and then I cleaned my glass before returning the glass pieces to their frames. I really like the clear glass look of the top and bottom frame, but I did add a piece of 7x7-inch Dollar Tree foam board to the center frame just because I wanted the E6000 that I hoped would resemble water to stand out just a bit more. To give my design a more finished look, I decided to add the Gemstone Stickers to my terrarium as well. To complete the project, I removed the remaining glue strings, cleaned my glass, and here was my finished look. I think that my spring wall terrarium with just a touch of glam turned out beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Interested in seeing me pick up some of the supplies used in this project? Then check out my second channel, Dazzling Designs by Denise, up close and personal. I'll leave a link to my second channel below. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.